I was just doing a healing for someone and she wasn't feeling very well. And I was like, what's going on? She looks super clear. And then she said, oh my gosh, I think it's my house. And I was like, oh shit, I didn't clear your house. Oh my God, I felt so bad. I looked at her house and it was like a total disaster. I don't ever go anywhere unless I clear the space. I don't take a class. I don't go to the store. I don't do anything until I clear everything. Entities, beings, miasms, energies, emotions. Sometimes a house or a place can have their channels, its channels turned out, just like we have channels, houses have channels, animals have channels, and channels can create a lot of anxiety. Anyway, so it's looking much better now, but I also had somebody stay in an Airbnb and I forgot to clear the house for her. And she woke up with paralysis and didn't sleep all fucking night. And so I cleared the house and she slept soundly the next day. If you're dropping stuff, losing stuff, stuff's going wrong, clear your house.